See, this is where the first opportunity for rewired beliefs opens up or entirely closes.
Benita, back to you to give us some thoughts on HRIS as a catalyst for change, what that really means.
Thanks, James. I think the most important thing when we talk about this new system that you're implementing is to appreciate that your system is merely a catalyst. No system will ever achieve lasting change, and definitely it will not achieve sustainable transformation on its own. So focusing most of your time and attention on the system and thinking that it will be the proverbial silver bullet is where the very first level of transformed thinking is required. And it's very often we spend the majority of our time on planning the system, getting the budget approved, looking at different vendors, etc. And we spend very little time about our own thinking about this change. See, this is where the first opportunity for rewired beliefs opens up or entirely closes. It's the most critical first step. And taking the time required to ensure that this happens cannot be overstated, because one can never expect others to change while you stubbornly refuse to do so yourself. The point of no going back, in fact, starts with you.